Good morning, guys. This is one of your science videos, and this week we're going to be working as scientists. We're going to learn about physical properties, matter, and texture, what things look like, what they feel like, what size are they. So when scientists are working and learning things or trying to figure things out, they have to be really good at looking at properties of different objects. So they have to maybe look at the size, the color, the shape, maybe what it looks like. So they have to look and use their eyes and their hands for different things to figure out properties about different objects. So we're going to be practicing, so be thinking in your mind about how a scientist might think. So the first thing is we're going to look at some vocabulary. We have gumballs, yum. And so it talks about color, the shade you see. So think about the colors that you see. Next, Legos. I love Legos. It says compare. So scientists have to compare things. So it says to see what is the same and what is different. So if you have Legos, see if you can maybe put them by the colors in groups, and then look and see if all of those Legos are the same or if they're different. Maybe move them in groups by what they look like, maybe by the color, by the size, the shape. So you can compare each group and think, this one has all blue in it. This one has yellow in it. Or maybe these are all big and these are all small. So compare the groups of objects or Legos that you put together. Next one is a property. It says a single part of the way something is. So like we talked about, color is a property, the shape is a property, size is a property. And then here we are, shape, the outline of something. So here's the lollipop. They keep coming with yummy stuff. Then it has the circle and the line. So that's the shape of the lollipop. We have texture. That's one of the things we'll work on first this week is texture. I put a few videos and a song that talks about different types of textures. There are lots and lots of different textures to objects that are in our world. So texture, how rough or smooth something is. So maybe you can find things in your house that are rough and smooth. And then you may find other textures. Okay, so we have that. Next I have a little video that talks about texture for us to listen to. Or properties.
Materials are the elements, substances, or parts something is made of. A cabin is made of logs, and logs are made of wood. One of the main materials in wood is carbon. When animals or humans build things, we choose materials based on their properties. Properties are observable characteristics that can be seen without changing them. Sponges are absorbent and perfect for cleaning up messes, but they are not very good for building houses. Materials can have lots of different properties, like color, size, weight, shape, flexibility, strength, hardness, and how much liquid they can soak up. This chef is cooking this hamburger on an iron skillet. She chose the iron skillet because of its ability to get hot. It doesn't take much energy to heat up. Water, on the other hand, takes a long time to heat up. Materials come in all shapes and sizes, and it's our understanding of them and their properties that have helped us make the things we use every day us build the technology of tomorrow.
Okay, so that's one of our videos that talks about properties. And then I had one more quick video. This one is talking about matter, and it's just a little song that'll give us examples of properties.
Objects have properties that we can use to observe them, describe them, compare them, and choose. We can arrange them by how they look and act. Is it big? Is it red? Is it smooth or is it cracked? M-A-T-T-E-R. Size, mass, shape, weight, color, and texture. These properties help us figure out just what an object is all about. Classify all math using some handy tools. Use a balance or a magnet. We follow the rules. Does it attract or does it repel? Can it connect heat? Does it feel like gel? M-A-T-T-E-R. Size, mass, shape, weight, color, and texture. These properties help us figure out just what an object is all about. M-A-T-T-E-R. Size, mass, shape, weight, color, and texture. These properties help us figure out just what an object is all about.
Alright, so that song gave a lot of information about physical properties that we can use our eyes to see. Made me think about matter, and that's the size, the shape, the color, mass, weight, and we use our eyes for those. We can use our hands for those. And I thought, oh, remember safety. So when you're doing different things and looking for different things, think about safety when you're doing those. So if we were to see something that was hot, is that a good idea to touch it? No. So make sure you ask permission, let your parents know what you're doing, and then make sure it's safe. So even though we're not at school or in a science lab, even at home we need to be safe and careful. So be very, very careful. So the first one we're going to be working on is texture. And so you're going to get to use your hands and eyes to describe what things look like. And so in the song, she said that it helps us to describe things of what they look like, what they feel, and just to be able to explain what they are or how they feel when you're touching something. So if you're touching a rock, being able to tell how it feels. It's smooth or it's bumpy. Touching a ball. I thought about when I saw a porcupine in the picture, and then porcupine in one of the video songs, I thought, oh, that one's prickly, or a cactus, how those are prickly. So it helps you when you're looking at things to be able to give words that can describe that object. Also in art, when you're drawing, you can use different textures too. So Miss Dominguez, she may talk about in a lesson about textures that are in art. And then they're talking about engineering. When people are building things, they use different textures to build things. So not only is textures and things that have physical properties and matter in science, but they carry over into other subjects and other things that we have and use. So be thinking about different textures. I found some neat videos for you to look at to extend and to increase your knowledge about all the different textures that that we could possibly see, or touch. So hopefully this video will help you, and we'll go more in depth about what matter is, what physical properties are, and different textures. So you'll be recording your answers of what you find about textures and physical properties in your journals this week. And I'll attach other videos this week for science.